is this a real story here that like where this sort of one big beautiful bill sort of worked as they and the tariff sort of worked as they expected it to work? Is this a story about that? Is there something there? Is it real or is it just talk?
I think it is a real story, but it's a complex one that's going to unwind over a number of years. I know that the Supreme Court just recently returned a verdict against some of the tariff action. So it's a really complex picture. I would hesitate to make a definitive statement on it, but I do feel like more broadly backing up in terms of adoption of the technology, regardless of however the legal and administrative picture shakes out, technologies tend to be adopted in this sort of S-shaped curve. And so you see, let's see if I can do this with where it's on screen. And so over time, you see very little adoption and you only have your early hobbyist people. So think Tony doing his homebrew solar panel solution up on our roof. It's technology is expensive. It's little known. People don't understand it or the complexities or how you would even go about it. And then you start to see sort of a gradual rise in the adoption of that technology as more and more users find out about it. And if the technology is successful, think, for instance, home electricity in the original 1.0 electrification, or the iPhone or EVs, you get this mass adoption where you have very rapid numbers of users coming on and trying this technology. And then eventually that's going to start to level off. Most of the homes already have a television or most of the homes already have air conditioner, whatever the technology is you're thinking about.